Hello all, welcome to the Cloud DevOps Guru channel. Today we are going to discuss about the zip command. Okay, let's begin. Zip command is used for compress the files, compression and file packaging. So whenever we are working in our organization, sometimes we have to transfer the file from one location to the another location or from one server to another server. So in that case, if you have the single file, it is possible to transfer the single file fasterly from one server to another server. But if you want to transfer the multiple files from one server to another server, so it is a huge task. For example, you wanted to transfer the hundreds of files from one server to another server. You cannot copy one by one, right? So it will take a huge time to transfer the files. Okay. So if you want to transfer multiple files, so in a single you copy it in a single folder and you can copy that folder into the from one server to the another server. But if you directly copy, it has the same size, right? It will not if you are copying that same size of file, it will take a huge bandwidth. For example, you have the file size of 1 GB. Okay, you wanted to copy 5 files from one server to another server, means 5 GB of file, right? It, if you want to copy from one server to another server, you need the 5 GB bandwidth, right? So zip is the tool which will help us to compress the file and also packaging. Means you can keep all the files in one folder and compress it and send the file from one server to another server, or you can copy it from one location to another location in same server. So it will help us to, sometimes you have to take a backup of some files, right? So it will help us to take a backup of the files also from another location, right? So we have some of the option with the zip command. So let's discuss those options. Options are -r. -r option is used for, it is used for recursively zip, used for recursively zip a directory. Okay, second one is the -d. If you want to delete, if you want to delete the files from the zip. Sometimes you wanted to delete some file from the zip, so then you can use the D. -U, it is used for adding the files, add or update the zip. -M, it is used for move the files. Okay. -X for exclude the files. Exclude the files from the zip. So these are some popular options. Let's see some of the examples using some of the options. So it is not possible to discuss all the options with the zip, right? So we will discuss some options using the zip which are frequently used. And another one option is the -V, which is used for verbosity. Okay, so let's see some of the example in the server. So login into your server. Sometimes zip utility is available inside your server, or sometimes if it is not available, you have to install that into your server. So you know how to install that packages into the server. We had discussed in the previous videos. Please, if you don't know how to install the packages into the Ubuntu and in the Red Hat server, so please go package management video and you can watch that video and come back to the how to install that packages, right? So if you have the command, it will give the options. You can you can type zip. So I have the command, zip command. So it has given these many options with the our zip command. So let's deal with some of the options which are frequently used in the while working. Okay, so I have the some of the files into the our server. I wanted to create the zip. For example, I wanted to create the zip using the zip command. Zip is the command. My zip file name, my first dot zip is my file name. Then I wanted to add some file into the my zip folder. For example, I wanted to add first.sh. Then I wanted to add hello.sh. Then I wanted to add, for example, if test.sh. In this way, I can add the multiple files into the my zip folder. Now you can see here, you can see it is showing these folders are adding inside the my zip folder. So let's create one directory. Mkdir test is my directory, already exist. So this zip directory you can copy inside the that directory. Let's see those if I extract that or unzip that file, so how many files are inside that zip. Okay, my first zip into the test one folder, right? Now go inside the test one folder, ls, my zip is there. If you want to unzip any zip file, you can use the unzip command. This is the command, unzip your zip file name. So now here you can see those all the files are unzipped inside your directory. Wherever you wanted to unzip it, so you can unzip those that folder and it will give the your all the files. I mean, sometimes you wanted to copy multiple files, right? You can create the zip and you can copy that folder and so inside the another location or inside the another server. So here you can check the that zip file size here. My zip file here, I'm not having any huge file, so because of that I'm not able to see the difference here. For example, I will press and uncompress it. So if for example now I had created the one zip, right? So if you want to remove the file, so from that zip file, just you can use the zip -d my first zip. Inside that I have the first .sh, right? So you can remove it. So you can use the -d option. For um, recursively compress, you can use the zip -r. For example, my demo is the my demo dot zip is the zip file name and my demo is the folder. So it will recursively zip the folder, right? In this way you can use the any options. For unzip you can use the unzip command, right? So if you want to compress and uncompress the file, you can use the zip and unzip. Thank you for watching this video. That's it from my end to cover in this video. So you can watch and you can practice those examples. Um, if you like my video, please like my session and like my video. Comment inside the comment section. Please share this video with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.